Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to review a 2022 Ram TRX.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
YouTube channel, my name is Dan, and this is our dealership, NG Supercars. And this car, well, truck, is on consignment. So our friend Steve wants us to help sell this thing. And I'll be honest, I'm kind of excited to drive this thing. I know they've got like 800 and something horsepower, and it's all-wheel drive, and it's kind of badass. So, and you know, well, I have a Ram, so I'm a big Ram fan. And it looks good. And we're going to do our best to try and drive this before it rains. It's it's kind of looking sketchy out, but Mother Nature doesn't always cooperate. So let's walk around it. I'm going to show you everything about it real quick, and then we'll take it out for a spin. And everyone keeps telling me that they're really fun. So, I mean, what's not to like about a 6.2 liter supercharged HEMI in this thing? All right. So forgive me, truck people. I am not a super truck aficionado. And also forgive me for the wind noise. It is what it is. It's windy today. I can't help you on that one. So we'll do the outside walk around real quick, but I don't believe those are the factory tires. I don't know. Maybe they are, but they're huge. Those are really, really large. And of course, remember on the TRX, you've got like the indicators because it's so wide. It's actually mandated by DOT law when their vehicle is over, I think it's like 8.5 feet wide or 8 feet wide or whatever it is. You have to have those indicators. So, you know, that became a thing. Ford did it first with the Raptor, and now everyone else is like, we should do that too. Anyway, we got step bars on the sides. I don't think those are factory. In fact, it says that brand. So no, we've only got 30-something thousand miles on it, and he put in this really nice system where it's got like these drawers that come out. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's actually very, very handy. So you still got some truck space, but you got some stuff you can put in here, little tackle box thingies, and yeah, so. Oh, look at it, it's got like measuring stuff right there, and conversions and everything, so, I don't know. It's a good working truck if you're gonna be doing actual work with it. Jeez, look at the size of those exhaust tips. Good God. It's as big as my hand. Good Lord. Oh, TRX! The T-Rex! Pretty badass. Well, inside the truck, tons of space. Yeah, this is a high option vehicle. I think I got the window sticker, so we'll go through that in a second. These fold up and all that stuff, and yeah. Oh yeah, he left me some wiper fluid because it's low on wiper fluid. I'll put that in later. And this side comes up too. Got a little storage down there. Yeah, it's pretty nice on the inside. Actually, it looks really nice. Yeah, here you go. Got these multi-way seats and all that stuff, and yeah, well, I feel like we need to fire it up from the outside. Let's do that, and then we'll hop in and drive this puppy. So we got the TRX remote, and here you go. America! Hell yeah! You got the side markers. Look at that. That's cool. See, I kind of like that. Little touches like that, like little side marker there, and those little lights there. I like that. I dig it. Oh, and you got the TRX thing on the hood. Yep. Well, let's take it out for a spin. Alrighty, comfort. Do I have seat coolers? Yeah. Want that on high? Heck yeah. Wait, what's that? Okay. Is that air conditioned steering wheel? Medium, low, off, high. Okay. Sweet. AC sync. I want synced. I want auto. Oh, auto. There we go. Where's my temp thing? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's low. That's low. Okay. There. And sync. Now I'm getting it. Alright, it's a little bit different than the display on my Ram, admittedly. So, cool. Well, I don't have it connected to that. Got your aux stuff, steering. Oh, it's got the trailer steer thing. That's cool. Where you connected it and it's got like some special stuff. I believe he had some special camera thing for that. I think window sticker was in here. Here it is. Ram TRX crew cab. Look at that. Originally $94,405. That is a lot. So the original warranty was only to 36,000 mile, and he extended to I think 100,000 mile, and it's transferable. So yeah, you're gonna get a big old warranty on this thing if you want it. Yeah, trailer steering control thing. Oh, California emissions, so I guess that's good. Fold up mirrors. Oh, here it is. TRX level 2 equipment group. Leather trim bucket seats. Dang, that's a lot of stuff. Okay. Nice. Trailer tow group. Yep, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, we have stuff. All right. We got a lot of stuff in here. And you can see we've got launch control, four-wheel drive auto, axle lock, four-wheel drive low, four-wheel drive high, a lot of stuff. Oh, mode. What are the modes? Custom, mud, sand, traction control off. No, let's leave that on. Rock crawling, Baja. I feel like we probably want sport, but let's keep going. Tow, snow. Go to sport. Okay, we want sport. Yes. All right. Ooh, we got adaptive cruise control, voice things. We got shift paddles. Heck yeah. All right, and we've got the top-down surround camera. Oh man. One thing about this truck versus my truck is since it's got more of an off-road suspension as opposed to mine's more for like towing and hauling stuff, it's much more compliant, much squishier, a little bit more pleasant to drive. Already I can hear the you hear the blower? Shit. I feel like we need to find somewhere to go off-roading in this thing, but I guess I won't. We'll behave. There we go, get some air going. Oh, much better. It is humid out today. Oh, we got a heads-up display too. Dang. That's really nice. We're gonna do our best to beat the rain, but it looks like we're gonna get rained on, folks. So it is what it is. I mean, hey, you know what? We're driving a big old truck with all-wheel drive. We can't handle a little rain. Downside is we just got it detailed, so oh well. At least we got it pictured. Oh, and I lied. Sorry, I thought it was 33,000. It's 37,700. So a little bit under 38,000 miles, but still got a warranty. Still got like good stuff. We have a rear view camera as opposed to like a rear view. I think if you do that, yeah, it turns into like a regular mirror. So if you don't want the camera thing. I mean, that's pretty crazy for a big ass truck. I don't know the stats on the 0 to 60 or any of that stuff, but I know they haul ass pretty good. And it rides nice. That's one thing. These seats are super comfy. Oh yeah, this is good. I can see doing a road trip in this. Is that Alcantara? Nice. Man, this is a Texas Cadillac is what this is. I like it. Okay. We'll have to get on this back road. And, oh, I see. It's already got that on auto. Okie-dokie. Well, yeah, he said he's never used launch control, so I'm actually not going to do launch control because I don't want to be the first one to do it or whatever. But we'll just hammer it. Okay. There's no one around. All right, ready? Here we go. Holy shit, dude! That is insane! For a big ass truck? Holy shit! Dude, this thing hustles. Damn. Oh, cool, it's got lane assist, you know, where it keeps you in lane. Dude, this thing's a riot. Oh, nice. Oh, do we have like full on? Okay, it's got like adaptive cruise. Oh, you can adjust all that. Okay. It doesn't have, I don't think it has like where it actually steers you. Like, you know, some of the cars you put on cruise and it'll literally like keep you in the lane. I don't think it does that, but damn. I think we're gonna have to gun it again. Well, what can I say? I like this thing. This thing's awesome. It's a badass truck. I'm really pleased. Oh, we even got like a nice phone holder right there. Well, let's send it again. Oh yeah, here comes the car. We'll just kind of go nice and slow, and then gun it. Ready? Dude, this thing's awesome. It's hard to believe this is a big ass truck. I mean, it probably weighs like 6,000 plus pounds. Alright, I'm a big fan of this thing. What can I say? I like this thing. It's a good truck. This is a very nice truck. Rides really nice. Drives nice. It got a shit ton of power. Not much you can say bad about that. Although I guess mileage is probably pretty shitty. Yeah, it's saying we're averaging 9.9. That's pretty awful. Well, still. I like this thing. This thing's a riot. Alrighty, well. If I remember correctly, it's basically the same engine that's in a Hellcat. So it's just a Hellcat truck. And the Hellcats are really fast and really fun. So, yeah, I'm a fan. I know there's probably like other modes or something, like you have to put it in like special whatever mode. I don't know, honestly, I don't want to break anything or play with anything too crazy. Dude, and you can just like, with these big ass tires, you can just like drive right over these rough stuff, like, doesn't even care. It's like, whatever, here, drive over that, drive over this, no problem. Dude, I am enjoying this vehicle. Yeah, we can just like, yeah, we just go right over here, drive over that big block. No problem whatsoever. Here you go. We'll just off-road. Oh, man. Alright, well, I like this thing. If any of you are looking for a TRX, here's a nice TRX example for you. High option, extended warranty, all good. There. Yeah, this is a badass truck. Oh, nice. The seat moves back automatically. Dude, this thing's sweet. Well, I'm a big fan. I like this thing. This thing is a riot. Shit tons of horsepower, very comfortable, drives nice, can probably tow a decent amount. Although it's kind of like off-roady suspension, so not as much towing capacity as you'd think, but 800 plus horsepower, Hellcat engine in a truck. Why not? That's a great combination to me. So if you're interested in buying this thing, go to our website, ngsupercars.com, fill out the form, let us know you're interested, and we can make a deal on it. So, all right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. We're doing a lot of cool car stuff. You're going to want to stay tuned. It's going to be sweet.